these discussions are still going on, of course, and especially considering that assembly polls will take place in some of the states in just a few months from now. That's also going to be in consideration. The party is also, of course, going to consider the numbers that each of the allies bring to the table.
You're absolutely right, and Haryana is one of such states, and BJP has lost at least 5 seats in recent Lok Sabha election, and they will want to gain in Haryana as well. However, the analysis within the BJP says that they did pretty well in legislative assemblies. However, even after saying that, they also know that how the assembly elections and also Lok Sabha elections work differently. So they need to also send a message across to the state that they are accommodating people. In Jat quota, they need to have someone from the Jat quota and from the non-Jat quota as well. We are given to understand that probably those of the 5 that have been that have won, at least 2 are going to be accommodated in the cabinet. Obviously, a very strong message that they will be sending out. Apart from that, there are other states who are going to assembly polls, and they'll try not just the caste combination, they're also looking at the future elections. They need to win states in order to ensure that they have a double engine sarkar in both the states, so that they can say that whatever the policies of central government, they have been implemented in the states as well. There is a better coordination if you have BJP government in the states as well. So the whole focus of the organization will be, and also when choosing the cabinet ministers and MOS, their focus will be on these states who are going to the assembly election as well. That is, we have been told that this is going to get into the consideration while deciding on that.